This video demonstrates how to use the RADIX 8000 precision torque monitor with the RDX 5 portable handheld ground screw machine, including live data capture and interpretation during installation. The RADIX PTM measures real-time torque, revolutions per minute, angle, thrust, and depth to verify installation quality and support torque-to-load correlation in line with project design requirements. Before installation begins, the PTM is physically mounted between the machine drive head and the screw adapter, using the standard 1.5-inch square drive connection. Ensure both the input and output connections are fully seated and secured before operation. Once mounted, the PTM is powered on and connected to the Datum Link app. When powered on, LED indicators confirm the transmitter is active and ready for connection. Once connected, torque and thrust are zeroed in the app to remove any installation offsets and ensure accurate readings. During installation, the Datum Link app displays live torque, RPM, and angle data in real time on the portable machine. Custom torque limits can be set within the app, triggering visual and audible alerts if warning or high thresholds are reached. Ground screw installation data can be recorded and logged. Each log records torque, RPM, thrust, angle, depth, rotation count, date, time, GPS location, and device serial number, creating a complete, auditable installation record. This data provides crucial evidence for quality assurance, compliance, and client confidence. Installation data can be logged and exported directly from the app in CSV format, along with screen captures, providing a clear digital record. Correct handling and basic care of the precision torque monitor help maintain accuracy and long-term performance. When used with RADIX portable ground screw machines, the RADIX 8000 PTM delivers clear, auditable installation data you can trust.